Hello everyone, hope y'all are doing great. Today my parents arrive and I got up early this morning, started working on everything, finishing up everything that needed to be done. Had a very late night last night. Oops, my hair's caught. Had a very late night last night, as you will see in the video coming. So last night I did a little filming of the cookies where I had made all of the dough and put it in the refrigerator. So you didn't see it in the video, but I actually I made the peanut butter cookie dough and I made the lemon supreme cookie dough, and I just went ahead and put together the cowboy cookie dough, and that way all the cookie dough, which was a lot of cookie dough, I must be related to the elf, but anyhow, got it all situated, and last night, just pretty late, got started on it, and just kind of started, making the cookies. I sat in this chair in between cookie making and watched a little Christmas movies. I was exhausted time I went to bed, and I washed up all the pans, and I knew I needed to get up early this morning because I had another load of laundry I needed to do, and I had just a list of things that needed to be accomplished before my parents showed up. So they're at least an hour, if not longer, away. I have a turkey baking in the oven right now. I made up my cookie tray, which I'll show you here in a little bit. I also thought that I would just include our food that we are going to be having today. Maybe a little bit of video content of my mom and dad's dog, Bella. She is so cute. Everybody loves to see Bella, especially me. Ronnie just got done drinking a cup of coffee and went upstairs. He's into some book right now, so he's got his audio reader going upstairs and he's enjoying a book. And I told him, I said, I'm going to sit in this chair for 30 minutes with my feet up and just relaxed a few minutes, because I've been going nonstop all this week. I'm tired, but it's well worth it. Everything is done. And today we're going to have turkey, hash brown casserole, gravy, 7-layer salad. I'm trying to think. Green beans, which are in the crock pot right now. And for desserts, I'm sure Mom and Dad will be arriving with some things as well. But we have the lemon supreme cookies, the peanut butter cookies, the cowboy cookies, the Christmas candy that came from the crock pot. You guys seen that in a video where I made. That's the lovely thing about making that candy. You can put it in a Ziploc bag, store it in your refrigerator, so that it don't melt, and whenever you need it, pull it out. It is amazing stuff. It is delicious. We've got 2 pumpkin rolls, and I've got whipped cream in the refrigerator. And so, yeah, we're going to eat good. We did not get a chance to have Thanksgiving with my parents, so this is kind of Thanksgiving / Christmas with them, because they are snowbirds and they fly south for the winter, which I don't blame them at all. So hopefully they have a good time in Florida while we're here probably battling ice storms and snowfall, which I don't mind it because I lived in the South for 24 years and I really miss the West Virginia snowy weather, except for I'm more southern West Virginia now, and Mom and Dad, where they live, are northern, and so they get a lot more snow than we do here. However, we do get it, and it's just enough for me to enjoy. So fingers crossed we get a little snow this year before Christmas, or even Christmas Day would make me very happy. Enjoy this video clip of last night of me baking cookies. I covered the entire kitchen table full of cookies last night. Finally got them bagged up, and yeah, so what I did was I got into the bags and I made a big cookie tray, and it's on the kitchen table for everybody to help themselves while they are here. Cowboy cookies. I've got the last pan of cowboy cookies in the oven, and then I am getting straight on to peanut butter cookies. It's late. It's late, and I'm up baking cookies. But as you all know from watching yesterday's vlog, I went ahead and already pre-made the dough. So I'm just watching Christmas movies while I'm making this. And honestly, it's just easy. Just taking my time making cookies. Here are the peanut butter ones. I'm just taking some of the dough out and putting it in a bowl, using my cookie scoop, and then using a fork to press it down. And when my cowboy cookies come out, I'm going to put these 2 pans in and bake them for about 12 minutes. Here are the peanut butter. Look how many peanut butter it makes. It's just 2 cake mixes. The easiest, most simple way. And if you want to dress these up, you can roll them in sugar before you bake them, or when they come out, press a Hershey Kiss in the middle. Everybody loves those. Those are delicious. But that is my cowboy cookies. Now I am starting on the lemon supreme cookies. Here are some of the lemon cookies coming out. They are so delicious. I've got to bag those up. I've already bagged up all of my cowboy cookies. I got a little over 7 dozen of those. So yeah, so we're plunging through this and we will be done tonight. Okay, there are all the lemon cookies. Delicious, delicious. And hopefully they're cooled enough and I can bag them up and go to bed, because I'm going to show you what time it is. You ready? Yep, time for me to go to bed. Here are my rolls. They are more than enough risen. They're going to be really good. I love rolls. Anybody else the bread person? I'm the bread person. In here is my turkey right there, cooking away. We come in here and it is my coffee bar. I think it came out really cute. That's my hardtack candy up there I made. And this was my gift from Cabell Wayne this year. I really love it. It's so cute. And those are my coffee pods and my cups and my little gingerbread house. And I just had enough hot chocolates for Mom. She's not a coffee drinker, so I saved these for her. Subscriber just gave me this, actually sent me this cup. Absolutely love it. You will be seeing me drink from it, but I had to display it because it was so adorable. It's my little Christmas Village piece that I picked up in an auction here in West Virginia this year, as well as my tree and my stocking. I love my coffee bar. I absolutely love it. It is so cute. And then, of course, we've got the mirror. Hello, I'm wearing Bucky shirt today. And then the swag up there at the top. But yeah, and then here I have mostly Christmas mugs. And behind me, I just kept the table really simple because it's just easier for us to sit down and eat. My friend Emma Lou got me these this year. Aren't these adorable? They are so cute. And then this is my cookie tray all made up for today. And that's my tripod. So over here, I do have a couple things of cookies over here. But I've got the gnome my mom and I made last year, the countdown to Christmas. A couple Christmas pillows. This is new this year. This actually came from Hobby Lobby. My mom bought it for me for Christmas. Isn't he cute? She knows how I love the buffalo plaid. Notice the curtain in here. Buffalo plaid tree up there at the top. Another countdown for Christmas, which I do need to change out the numbers, but it is what it is. Here is our tree. It's really pretty at night, and today the sun decided to shine, which it hasn't shined in for a while. But this is my tree, And once we get gifts underneath of it, you won't be able to see where I turn it off and on. It's my fireplace. And these angels, they light up. I guess I do have them on. Probably had timer on them and didn't realize it. But yeah, my little angels are all lit up. And it's the tree. My favorite ornaments are my West Virginia ornaments. This picture here, my mother painted for Ronnie and I for a wedding present. And yeah, that's supposed to be me and Ronnie on our wedding day. And a little gnome right here. But yeah, that's a gift from my mom. And I wanted to make sure that I displayed it this year. And I put little red ribbons in my tree this year, something I haven't done. And I did a combination bow with the red and the buffalo plaid. This is the hutch you see. My back door is my front door is right behind me. And so I've got my Christmas village all displayed down here. Excuse the jackets. I don't have a place for them yet. I'm working on that. So up here, I've got another West Virginia little snowman. This is my favorite picture of my kids when they were little. A friend of mine down south, we did a Secret Sister thing. So if anybody wants to know where that came from, I have no idea. It was a gift. But yeah, absolutely love that. So cute. This is like our little entry table. There's our front door right here. And we made that Christmas tree this year with my mom. That's our wedding picture. And this is where I keep my wax burner. So the same subscriber that sent me the lovely mugs, she sent me 2 Ray Dunn. One says Amazing Grace. One says Merry Christmas, by the way. If you are watching, thank you so much. They will be cherished. I absolutely love them. But she sent me some wax melts. Let's see. Which one is burned? This one is burning today. It smells really, really good. Smells very, very Christmassy. And then before somebody comes over, I always use this here room spray. I need to buy some more. I think I bought this at Big Lots. And then Ronnie's cane is here in my bag so that we can head out the door, and some extra lights that I didn't know what to do with this year. But yeah, that's the extent of my indoor Christmas decor. So when you come in the door, this is what you see. And it's my Christmas village. So yeah. And these are my new pillows that I got from Sam's this year. Love them.